All right, so what I'm going to do is I am going to clean some of these a little bit better. You can see it's pretty bright, but I know it can look a little better, so I'm going to do a special treatment on that one. Same thing here, it's nice and clean, quite bright, but I think I can brighten it up a lot better than this. So I'm giving you the before pictures, or the before video. This one looks pretty darn good actually, but we're gonna give it a go with that as well. This one here is gonna look amazing after I clean it. You can see a little bit of dirt in that sucker still, but that'll all come off. This is crystalline and crystallized in one piece. I love the crystal structure on this one. Super cool. This one's going to look amazing. Kind of looks like a Starship Millennium or something. This is another really cool crystal. This one will brighten up a lot. Notice that little triangular face in the middle. It's not very reflective, but we're going to fix that. And then this one's got that big flat face on it. Same thing, it's kind of reflective, but not really. I'm going to just clean that up just a little bit. When gold is underground, it does get really microscopic surface dirt ground into it. And what I do is I remove that. This one's kind of cool. This is a super small piece of leaf gold, and I just want to see how this one looks after I clean it as well. I think it'll be really bright. This one's really cool. The shape is great. Really good sharp trigon pyramids on it. You can see the light reflecting off the faces a little bit, but not as good as it will be. This is a big chunky crystal. Look at that hop ring on that one. Super deep hop ring. And then this last one, it's a small little guy, but I love this thing. This is also a hoppered crystal, same thing. It's bright, but not as bright as I'd like to see it. So let's go have a look at how we do this. All right, so I've got the gold in the bucket. I'm going to add one of the ingredients, the dry mixture, and then we add the liquid. And this thing will slowly start to react. And it does create a lot of heat. Eventually it will boil over. Yeah, the bubbles are getting pretty black. That's good. That means that it's cleaning that gold. This one will boil over, sure. If I add more liquid, it takes a little longer to react because the liquid is cold. It takes a while to generate the heat to boil. But it'll get to that certain temperature and then it just boils rapidly. All right, so let's have a look at that. All right, you ready for this? Check that baby out. Now we're talking clean. My God, the before and after is just a stark difference from what it was. Look at how shiny those mirror surfaces are. Oh my God. Oh my God. The difference is unbelievable. Look at these suckers. Look at this thing. Same lighting, same position in the kitchen where I did the video earlier. We're in the exact same spot. Only thing that changed is I cleaned this stuff. Check that out. Man, oh man, look at those straight edges up here. That thing's crazy. Wow. Even I'm impressed. Look at that. It's not even the same piece of gold anymore. Super bright. Yeah, look at that. Wow. Whew. I'm actually seeing these for the first time too as I'm filming them. Flip this sucker over. Yeah, look at that. Just lustrous. The brightness is crazy. You can see up here, it's so bright that when the white light shines on it, it doesn't even look gold color anymore. But then you just flip it over so that you don't get the white on it, and it's super bright. Yep, look at that. The difference is just shocking. And that's why I do this. Just makes it a way better piece of gold. There's nothing that shines like crystallized gold. To me, it's better than diamonds. Oh, look at, there's that triangular, remember I showed you that triangular face earlier? Look at the reflection on it now. Here's this tiny little sucker. This was the last piece in the last video, but the brightness is just crazy. Oh, I love this one. Oh my God. Yep. I do love my hobby. And then this little flat piece, this leaf gold, this was the first one I started with. You can see it's much, much brighter than it was. There you go.